Coffee cups and crumpled tickets floating in your mind tonight. Let's meditate, let it all go, follow every easy routine.
Leave your heaviness on the floor.
Let's meditate,
Close your tired eyes.
I'll keep you safe. We can sit here till the sky turns late.